Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO and Managing Partner of Fibocan. So Fibocan, as you know, is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions victory, innovative investment strategies, so far Sony for Bowmits. They are very powerful and tax efficient strategies and have immensely benefited many of our clients regardless of the market conditions. In every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Some of you have commented in my video that my analysis is bang on, and particularly the Bank Nifty ranges that I have given. Thank you very much for all those things. Today is August 20, 2022, Saturday. In this video, we will be discussing about the global market performance, S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, FTSE, currencies, commodities for the week of August 15 to August 19, 2022. That is Monday till Friday. Before that, I have been cautioning that Bank Nifty and Nifty has run up too much. Any reversal can happen. Yesterday, it formed a solid reversal, Bank Nifty and Nifty. In fact, Bank Nifty formed such a reversal that it engulfed the previous 4 candles, which is an extremely negative indicator. Anyway, we'll put our range and other things on Monday for Indian markets. There we'll be giving the details. Now we'll come to the global markets. Dow, it closed at 33,706, 0.2% down. Nasdaq 12,705, 2.5% down. S&P 4228, 1.2% down. And FTSE 7550, 0.7% down, more or less flat. So last week, that is on August 14th, one day before India's Independence Day, I had given a video on Saturday wherein I had told, Sunday, August 14th was a Sunday, wherein I had clearly told that in this week, that is August 15 to 19th week, we can expect the market to either remain sideways or form doji, or form a, if the reversal pressure is happening, or form a reversal candle. Precisely that is what had happened. It has formed a reversal candle. In fact, of all the 3 things that we told, the probability of reversal candle is more. That is what we had indicated. And it formed shooting star in Dow and also bearish engulf, bearish bar reversal in the monthly, in the weekly chart. In the monthly chart, it is above the exponential moving average but below the middle band. In the case of Nasdaq, it formed a solid red candle, more of a bearish engulf. So it's a typical bearish engulf. Whereas in the case of Dow and even S&P, it is more of a spinning top. And Nasdaq, S&P, it is a slightly bigger candle, but Nasdaq was a very good solid red candle, reversal candle. And again, monthly, it is the same story as that of Dow, where it is below the exponential moving average and also below the middle band. S&P, similar to that of Dow, but slightly bigger red candle. In the case of Dow, it formed a green candle, but it is a spinning top, more of a shooting star. But here it is a slightly better body, and it is middle band. Current market price is again that of Dow, similar to that of Dow, where it is above exponential moving average but below middle band. FTSE has formed a hanging man, and expect further. What do we expect? In the weekly chart, FTSE has formed a hanging man. We had told very clearly that after a big run up in July, we told on July 3rd that July is going to be a big up move, and subsequent weeks we had indicated, and again now we are indicating, we had indicated last week that after such a big up move, we normally expect a doji or a reversal type of candle if the uptrend is not sustained. That is what is happening. In fact, the way all these indices are positioned, we expect it to go down further before the month end and form a reversal candle in the monthly chart, which is not a very good sign if you are a bull. I had cautioned last week itself, August 14. Please see my videos. CBOE weeks at 20.60, it is trending down in weekly and daily. As we said, the volatility is down. It is very simple because there is no big fight between bulls and bears. It was one side up move. Now the reversal has started. We can expect further downside. Dollar index 108.017. In the daily, it formed a solid big green candle and it is above the Bollinger upper band. In the weekly, it formed a solid very big green candle just below the Bollinger Upper Band. In the monthly, it is well above the upper band. Last week I had told that it will close above 105 point something in this month, which is what had happened because the components within that. Let's look at Euro versus ISD. It is almost at par, 1.0037. We said that in the daily it is sliding down the lower band. Weekly it formed, in this week it formed a solid big red candle just above the lower band. And in the monthly it is sliding down the lower band, which you had indicated last week itself, last few weeks, because it is sliding down on the monthly chart, which is not a good sign. GBP versus USD, it is again 1.183. Looks like it is also going to be at par. In the daily it is sliding down with the lower band, solid red candle. In the weekly it formed a solid red candle and just again above the lower band. In the monthly, like that of Euro versus USD, it is sliding down with the lower band nicely. USD JPY 136.93. Last week we told that it is going to go up. 4 days of consecutive solid green candle it formed in the daily, and in the weekly it formed a solid green candle, engulfing candle, and monthly it is above the Bollinger Upper Band and formed a bullish engulf. So all these things indicate that dollar index is in a very strong wicket. We told that 105 is going to act as a very strong support. Looks like even 106 will be a very strong support, which is not a good sign for other currencies and particularly USD INR. USD INR is now near almost 80. It is 79.90. 3 days of solid green candle in the daily chart, and in the weekly chart big green candle just below the Bollinger Upper Band. In the monthly it is well above the Bollinger Upper Band, 7th month in succession, which we have been telling on every week. We have been telling that. US 10-year yield 2.976. It formed a solid green candle, second in the last 3 days. On Wednesday it formed a solid green candle. Thursday it formed a hammer type of a hanging man hammer type of candle or a small spinning top. Then Friday it shot up again. On the weekly it formed a solid green candle and it is now above the middle band and exponential moving average. In the monthly chart, solid big green candle, piercing pattern, engulfing candle. It is just below the Bollinger Upper Band. So we can expect it to touch 3 very soon. We are told last week itself, in the month of August, it is going to close about 2.8. We are very firm that it might even cross about 2.9. Brent at 96.72 and NYMEX at 90.77. It has formed many green candles and is moving towards the Bollinger middle band. So which is indicating that the downtrend is arrested and the up move is going to commence very shortly. And in the weekly, although bearish engulf it formed a long legged spinning top type of candle after a reversal candle it formed last week, which means that the downtrend is arrested and it is ready to move up. In the monthly, probably it has formed a red candle till now, but the lower leg is slightly long in both NYMEX and Brent, which means that by the end of this month, and as we near the end of this month, Brent has possibility of closing above 100 and NYMEX above 95.20, which will then would have formed a perfect reversal in the monthly chart. Then in the month of September we can see Brent and NYMEX shooting up, and it is going to be risk off for all other equity markets across the globe. So hence, bulls or people who are bullish, please be cautious from now on. At least the indicators are giving that signal. Thank you very much for watching the YouTube, Fibocans YouTube. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.